communications equipment for business and consumers. Its products support unified communications, mobile use, gaming and music. Plantronics is a publicly traded company headquartered in Santa Cruz, California. History. In the early 1960s, airline headsets were so large and cumbersome that many pilots had switched back to the use of handheld microphones for communications. The speed and complexity of jet airline has caused a need for the introduction of small, lightweight headsets into the cockpit. In 1961, United Airlines solicited new designs from anyone who was interested. Courtney Graham, a United Airlines pilot, was one of the many who thought the heavy headsets should be replaced by something lighter. He collaborated with his pilot friend Keith Larkin to create a small, functional design which was robust enough to pass airlines standards. The final design, incorporating two small hearing aid-style transducers attached to a headband, was submitted to United Airline approval. UAL's approval of the innovative design caused Graham and Larkin to incorporate a specific Plantronics on May 18, 1961. They introduced the first lightweight communications headset, the MS-50, to the commercial marketplace in 1962. In the mid-1960s, the Federal Aviation Agency selected Plantronics as the sole supplier of headsets for air traffic controllers, and thereafter was selected to supply headsets to the operators of the Bell Telephone Company, Spencom and NASA. In 1961, NASA astronaut Wooly Skira contacted Courtney Graham, a fellow pilot, to discuss creating a design for a small, lightweight headset to be used in the Mercury spacecraft. Pacific Plantronics assembled its Space Environmental Communications division to begin working on a reliable solution. Spencom personnel traveled to NASA's Manned Spacecraft Center and Kennedy Space Center to meet with and get design feedback from Skira and several other astronauts, including Gordon Cooper. Together, Spencom and NASA spent only 11 days to create a working microphone design for space communications, and Skira was the first to use the new communication technology during the Mercury Atlas 8 mission. Significant redundancy was built into these headsets, as each microphone circuit had 2 transducers and each receiver had 5 transducers. In addition, the headsets were used in pairs. The use of these Spencom NASA headsets in astronaut spacesuits continued through the remainder of the Mercury program, the Apollo program, and on to this day. The words spoken by U.S. astronaut Neil Armstrong as he stepped on the moon were transmitted through a Plantronics headset.